Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I got a Galaxy Watch here, and if you saw my Instagram, then you already knew this was coming, but let's get into it. Alright, so you probably noticed something, that I'm actually recording in 1080p at 60 FPS. So, yeah, that's actually a thing right now, because we're not recording at 4K at 60 FPS, because the iMac I'm recording on, we're having some issues with it. So it actually crashed on me like 2 times at the end of rendering the video, so that was really frustrating, and I lost like hours and hours of editing. So sorry if my video's been delayed, but well, I mean that's what I got for y'all. So yeah, for the time being, I'm recording at 1080p at 60 FPS because well, I really don't want to deal with that right now. And I actually just came back from an interesting Uber ride. So the Uber driver was like, have you ever considered modeling? You have a striking look. Yep, a striking look. That's what he said. And I was just sitting in the back like, not really, he said uncomfortably. I'm hoping he's not watching this video right now. So yeah, that was the thing, but we got the Galaxy Watch here and I want to go ahead and get it out the box. Now, I already used this thing, I already set it up and I had it on my wrist and everything, but I didn't actually get into the box or anything. So yeah, just came back from T-Mobile. So we got the T-Mobile sticker there that they decided to slap on there for some reason. And we got the rose gold Galaxy Watch with the pink watch band, which I got to swap out immediately for a white one or a black one or something because I can't go around with that. But the rose gold really just looked like a gold and even looked like a gold in this picture. So yeah, we got the watch there, Galaxy Watch, Samsung logo. So we don't got the new box design, the eco-friendly one. So that's the thing. So we got LTE standalone connectivity, long battery life, auto fitness and wellness tracking, and swim ready water resistance. So you can swim with a watch now. And we got stay connected longer, Galaxy Watch, LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and then we got what's in the box, but we're already gonna go in the box, so we don't need to read that. So we got stay connected longer, Galaxy Watch, LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and we got what's in the box, but we're gonna go in there anyway, so what's the point? And we just got this whole box design here, so nothing at the bottom or the top, so let's just go ahead and get this out of here. And it's kind of a weird way to get it out, but there we go. So nice presentation. And we got the Galaxy Watch there, and as you can see here, also did keep on the plastic. And it has a really soft watch band, so I really like that. And we just got the whole watch right here, like the bezel right here, the turning bezel. The sides are shiny, like the whole watch is just shiny and pretty, and I like it. And at the bottom of the watch is black, obviously, so that's interesting. And yes, so let's go ahead and get all this plastic off. Let's just go ahead and take this off. I'm not gonna go ahead and just put it next to the microphone or anything like that anymore. It's just not really a point of doing it. So let's go ahead and struggle together to get this off because I have no fingernails. Do you see the struggle I have to deal with right now? Let's just go ahead and get one out of here, or maybe 14 of them. Okay then. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go ahead and get it out of here like this. Okay, well, it just flicked over at me. All right then. And that is the screen right there. So this is a really nice looking watch. I didn't want the black because it just looked basic and boring, but that watch band's gonna have to go. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go and buy one on Amazon. And the interesting thing is it actually works with the Gear S2 Classic and the Gear S3, so that's nice. So I do like the watch band only if it was white. If it had white here and gold over here, that would have been a really nice watch band. But let's go ahead and put that right there and see what's inside the box. So here we go. Thanks T-Mobile for not going inside the box. I appreciate that. But we have a cord here, and I heard it's not USB Type-C, so shame on you, Samsung. And yep, look at that. It's not USB Type-C. Okay, that sucks. And we got the watch charger here. It looks like the same thing like the Gear S3. I'm not gonna use this though because I have the wireless charger duo, but maybe I'll use it if I'm traveling. Maybe. Or maybe I'll just charge on the back of the phone and not bring any chargers with me because that would be pretty useful. And what else do we have inside the box? I assume it's just the watch band, and that's pretty much it. Yep, that's looking like it. We have our other pink watch band here. Yay! I'm not gonna use it though, but it's a smaller size. Oh wait, no it's not. It's a larger size. So okay then, that's cool. And in here we have the charging bricks. So it's a USB one. It's not the one that actually connects to the cord, so that's nice. So it's not fast charging or anything, but it's just a regular one. So okay then. And it looks like that's about it in the box. Nobody cares about this. So yeah, y'all, so I just want to look inside the box, just see everything about the Galaxy Watch. So I'm not gonna turn it on or anything because well, I can't, it's dead right now, but you know I'm gonna do videos on this, you know I am. But thanks for watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.